Hello students, today we are going to learn about the lashings. In scout class we have learned types of lashings. Square lashing, share lashing, mark 1, mark 2, diagonal lashing, figure of 8 lashing. So these are the various types of lashing. Now we are going to learn the first one, that is a square lashing. Requirement: 2 sticks, 2 spars, 2 bamboos, anything it's available in your home. Pencil, pen, small sticks, whatever is there in your home. You can utilize the thread as a rope, twine as a rope. Whatever is there is in your house, you can utilize it and just start practicing doing square lashing. Now I will show you square lashing. In previous video you have learned how to tie claw hitch. So for square lashing we need 2 spars, 2 bamboos, 2 sticks. First, tie a claw hitch on the vertical, make it tight. Make it tight. The extra, just don't keep it open, just rotate it with the rope. And the second, rest it on the claw hitch, rest it on the claw hitch. And now see how you are going to do the wrapping. Take a turn, the same turn take it from behind of vertical pole, of horizontal pole, again from vertical pole, horizontal pole. Your one turn is complete. Now my dear students, suppose this is your face and this is your back. This is your face and this is your back. So when you are continuing doing the wrapping, take a turn, put it inside, take a turn, put it inside, take a turn, put it inside, and fill the gap. The gap which is in front, fill it completely. All this turn we call as a wrapping. Now our wrapping is finished. Now see how it is looking. Our wrapping is finished. Now we are going to do, that is a frapping. Wrapping on the poles, frapping between the poles, दोनों पोल के बीच में. Take a turn, take a turn, take a turn. Now we have start with the claw hitch, we have to end with the claw hitch. Hold the end of the rope, take a turn and just put it inside and pull. Same thing, hold the rope, take a turn, put it inside, done. The end of the rope you have to hide it inside. This is what the square lashing. You have to practice it. After practicing, click a picture and send it. Thank you.